How to post your pictures on Instagram to other apps. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to post your pictures and videos on Instagram to other apps, for example Facebook and Snapchat, anything. All you need to do is go to your Instagram. For example, this is my profile, and now click on my post and click on those 3 points up there and click on post to other apps, Facebook, Twitter, like choose whatever you want. All you need to do is you should log in your Facebook account to share this post to your Facebook account, and just this is it. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you, and if you like the video don't forget to subscribe and like.